ni anyiti itemi kuma honge ngurani cia thirikari aria manyitanire hari kuruguria mutambo wa kiiriu uria uriteithagiriria akenya kuma handu hothe kumenya makiria megie motungata maria kaunti ngurani iraheana. Muikariri giti wa ruhonge rwa ugai wa kigina ciare Jane Keringai niugite mokite na itashukia riri niguo gutigirira akenya ni magia na kamweke ga kugereka thirikari cia kaunti na njira njega.
We want to avail that data to all Kenyans so that they can use this data to hold their county governments accountable for results and for the delivery of services.
Ningi Keringai ni ataririe mathina maria akenya ingi mageragira riria magia na wendi wa gwetha motungata matiganite kaunti-ini ndiganu.
Today, if you want to find how much counties are absorbing, you probably have to visit maybe the 47 counties. Sometimes also you may have to visit maybe the Control of Budget website. And you may not find all this data organized in a way that it gives you the trend over the last 4 years.
Nake murugamiriri wa mihango ruhonge-ini rwa athondeki wa indo KMA Dalmas Okengo ni ataririe uguni uria mubango uyu wa ukinyaniria ugukorwo naguo kuri kaunti ciothe.
This is a one-stop shop for business related information. That makes it easy, for example, for anybody manufacturing sandals in Mombasa to know that if I am to take these sandals to Kisumu, then what regulations, what fees, what everything must I abide by.
Mwena-ini wake seneta wa Nyeri Mutahi Kagwe uria nowe muikariri giti wa kamiti ya senate igi ukinyaniria ni oritie kaunti ciothe kuhimbiria ukinyaniria niguo kuhotithia motungata ma na ihenya. Mubango uyu wambitie kurutithio wira hari kaunti 5 no ni ukwambiriria kurutithio wira hari kaunti ciothe 47 ica-ini ikuhi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Mbataru wa Mwangi.